Ethan has been given Vicks on his feet and some Tylenol, and he's going absolutely crazy. And this is the first night he's crawled on all fours. 9.5 months. 1 tooth. 19.5 pounds. Crazy baby. You know you're not allowed in the kitchen, Punkles. Are you gonna go hide behind the couch? This is funny. And he's off. Baby, come here. Are you behind the couch? Will you come here, please? Baby, come here. Baby, come here. Baby, come here. Is that where you hide all of Mommy's stuff? Yes. Come here. Baby, come here. Ethan. Okay, turning it off. I love you. I'm gonna come get you.